Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about a floor standing touchscreen digital signage machine. Lindy, have you heard about this machine before?
Hi Lori.
Hi.
I only this product can play pictures. That is any another functions. Can you explain to me?
Yes, I can. Okay, so this is the screen that you see in hotels, malls, and exhibition halls, right? It's made with this beautiful standing design and has an HD screen, as you can see here. So this HD screen, permits the user to have its touch screen, and it permits the user to put any type of content, videos, pictures, and text. And the simple user-friendly interface can also help the user to schedule content, to schedule playback content as you want. So it's very, very easy to use.
Wow, use this machine will make things more convenient for us. It's a great choice.
Of course, choosing our digital signage standing touchscreen machine is not only a smart business move because it's affordable, it's also efficient, convenient, and a fashionable choice. Choose our screens and make your brand stand out in the market with your competitors.
Thank you for your explanation. I'm very satisfied.